In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Smartsheet to a workspace. If you're organizing projects, standardizing access, or simply cleaning up your account, moving a sheet into the right workspace keeps everything tidy and ensures the right people have the right visibility. Start by opening Smartsheet in your browser and signing in. You'll land on your home area, which shows recent items and favorites. For this task, we want the full view of where everything lives. Look to the left sidebar and choose Browse. Browse shows your folders, workspaces, and any shared items in a structured way, so it's perfect for locating both the sheet you want to move and the destination workspace. Next, navigate through your workspaces list and locate the workspace where you want the sheet to live. If you have a long list, you can scan by name or collapse areas you don't need so you can focus on the target workspace. When you see it, click to open that workspace. This lets you confirm it's the correct place, review any folders inside it, and make sure you're about to drop the sheet in the right spot. If the workspace has subfolders or sections, decide exactly where you want the sheet to land so you don't have to reorganize later. Now, find the sheet you want to move. With Browse still open, select the sheet and drag it to the workspace or folder you just opened. As you drag, watch for the visual highlights that indicate the destination is ready to accept the item, then release to drop it in place. If you need to move more than one item, you can select multiple sheets before you drag, which saves time when reorganizing larger projects. A few tips while you're doing this. You need the right permissions to move items into a workspace. So if you don't see the ability to drop your sheet, check that you have at least admin access to the destination. When you move a sheet into a workspace, it inherits the workspace's sharing settings, which helps maintain consistent access for your team. The content of the sheet, rows, attachments, and comments moves with it. After you drop the sheet, open the workspace and confirm the item appears where you intended. Give it a quick check to make sure the name is clear and there aren't duplicates that could confuse collaborators. If your sheet connects to reports or dashboards, verify those links still reference the right locations. And that's it. You've successfully moved a Smartsheet to a workspace, keeping your projects organized and your team aligned.